Hi, I'm Laura with Mural Dreams, and in this video I'm gonna show you how I painted this cosmic heart painting and share some thoughts about how to tune in to the magic of the cosmos, thoughts about flow art, the state of flow, Eastern spirituality, and how the universe shows you signs of love all the time. Stay tuned, coming right up.
Lately I've been thinking about what draws me to flow art. Aside from the fact that it's one of the least judgmental form of art, and aside from its beautiful results and its calming meditative effects, it's truly an invitation to let go of our endless expectations and enjoy the entire process and focus on the moment with an attitude of equanimity and complete contentment in the spontaneity of reality. And the fact that everyone sees something different in the same result is so insightful. A note on the colored glasses we wear to see the world with. Love is a choice, a habit to see the good in people, situations, and art. I see mostly birds in my flow art and funky creatures and lots of hearts. That's my filter, I guess. Flow art is Wu Wei. Wu Wei is one of Taoism's most important concepts. It's sometimes translated as non-doing or non-action. And like many things in the Tao Te Ching, it's a delicious paradox. A better way to think of it is the action of non-action. Wu Wei is a cultivated state of being effortlessly in alignment with the flow of the cosmos. It's kind of a going with the flow that is characterized by great ease and awareness, in which we're able to adapt to any situation that might arise, even without trying. It means to respond effortlessly to the needs of any situation without struggle and force. Infinity says we're everything, and finitude says we're nothing. Between these two we flow. It's in this in-between where the power of spontaneity can be utilized, where we're both the seer and the seen, the universe becoming aware of itself. The spontaneity of flow art and Wu Wei is a different sort of energy that we may be accustomed to conceiving. It's not an energy that can be forced by the will. It's the nominal experience of being in the flow with the cosmos. It is effortless and frictionless, despite needing a little effort and friction. And it's our letting go of our attachments to our goals so that we're in a better place to achieve our goals. It must be a free-flowing process of intertwining synchronicities. But we mustn't be overly serious with our goals and aspirations. Instead, we must be sincere. Let's wash our insecure seriousness with sincere humor. This is the wisdom of Wu Wei.
Isn't it cool? Like a cosmic heart. Exercise is good for your heart. I mean,
to embody Wu Wei is to live in a state of alignment with the flow of life. The expression going with the flow is Wu Wei in a nutshell. Although you are taking action, there's the recognition that you, the doer that you take yourself to be, isn't really the one calling the shots. You're but an instrument through which the breath of life moves. This flow state is characterized by effortlessness, ease, and allowing the right action to unfold at the right time in the right manner. Everything has its own flow, its own pace and speed, and if we can tune into and align ourselves with it, we can achieve effortless ease in all that we do. We find that we instinctively know what to do and when to do it. This intelligence is a Tao at work within us and around us. It also feels incredibly good, like the universe is holding you up when you find serendipitous coincidence in this total release of control. It's analogous to growing a flower or mixing paint. All we can do, like good gardeners and artists, is prepare the soil and supplies, like the mind, the body, and the soul, and provide the proper conditions, and then let nature take its course. Our best effort is to become attentive gardener life artists, to become aware of an ineffable, mysterious process and allow understanding to come as a natural progression of open-minded awareness, and to give into the flow state, we must have beginner's mind, free from possessing anything, a mind that knows that everything is in flowing change. Our culture is very good at pushing people to work hard or acquire particular technical skills, But in many domains, actual success requires the ability to transcend our training and relax completely into what we are doing, or simply forget ourselves as agents. We must let ourselves play, for in play there is great discovery. The thrill of the unknown is fantastic. Here's some tips on living from this state of effortless ease. You gotta relax, because when we're relaxed, peaceful, and at ease, people are more likely going to want to hang around us and work with us rather than against us. And enjoy life, because if you don't, what's the point of living? You gotta keep the enjoyment alive. Find some aspect of it that you enjoy, however tiny, and focus on that. When we enjoy life, we're energized and invigorated. And if there's nothing you particularly enjoy about what you're doing, then at least maintain an attitude of acceptance. That's also helpful for neutralizing bad feelings and keeping the flow alive. And can you let go of results? We're responsible for our actions, but not completely for the results of our actions. Why? Because every result in life is dependent not on a single cause, but on a multiplicity of causes that are outside our control. You're just a leaf in the stream of creation, so relax and enjoy the ride. It doesn't make sense to worry about what we don't and can't control. That's a recipe for a life of misery. Just accept that there's a greater whole in life, a field of potentiality that ultimately takes care of everything anyway, even if the immediate results are not what we might have wanted. Whatever happens in life happens because it couldn't have been any other way. This single understanding, if fully realized, is almost all you need to live a stress-free life. It is the essence of karma yoga. Do your best and let life take care of the rest. There is a natural order to life, and when we come back into balance with that, life becomes simpler, more peaceful, and harmonious. The basic message of Taoism: let go, let it happen, keep it simple, be kind, and enjoy life. The universe loves you, and there's so many signs that it does. So have fun experimenting with the art of actionless action, and let me know how you find it in the comments down below. Till next time, my friend, trust the flow.